How to check someone likes on Reels. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram on a device. Now when you tap on Reels tab, now on the Reels section if your friends or followers have liked on the Reel, their profile or profile picture will appear above the name of the account that uploaded the Reel. Now when you go to the person's profile, now as you can see on the profile page, there is no option to find the likes tab. Even when you go to the Reels, you cannot find the person's liked Reels. When you tap on three dots, now simply tap on About this account or simply tap on See Shared Activity. You cannot find the Reels that person liked too. So unfortunately on Instagram, there is no possible way to directly access the Reels that person likes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.